Dear students, I am Pratik sir, mathematics teacher of class 9, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. In this video, we will study about theorem number 10 of the chapter circles. The theorem is the sum of either pair of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. First of all, what is a cyclic quadrilateral? As you know that a quadrilateral is a four-sided figure, but a cyclic quadrilateral is a quadrilateral which is formed inside a circle, and all the four vertices of the quadrilateral should touch the circumference, it means the boundary of the circle. In the figure drawn, you can see ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. The vertices A, B, C and D all are touching the circumference of the circle. Now coming back to the question, we have to prove that opposite angles are having sum of 180 degree. Opposite angle means angle A plus angle C should be equals to 180 degree and angle B plus angle D equals to 180 degree. This we have to prove. We will join OB and OD in the figure. These two are radii. Here arc BCD subtends angle BOD at the center. You can see arc BCD is forming angle BOD at the center and angle BAD at a point on the remaining part of the circle on the circumference. Let angle BOD, which is formed by the arc BCD at the center, is X and the remaining reflex part of this angle is suppose Y. So angle A will be equals to half of angle BAD. Angle A will be equals to half of angle BOD. By the theorem property, angle formed by an arc at the center is X. So angle formed by the same arc at any other point will be half of the center, it means half of X. Similarly, angle C will be half of Y, because if we see the major arc BAD is forming angle BOD reflex part angle Y at the center, and the same major arc BAD is forming angle BCD at other point on the circumference. So angle BCD will be half of this central angle Y, it means half of Y. Let these two as equation 1 and 2 respectively. When we will add these two equations, angle A plus angle C will be equals to half of X plus half of Y. Half we will take common in the right hand side part. Inside the bracket we will be left with X and Y, X plus Y. Half remains as it is. X plus Y, you can see X plus Y both are making a complete circle, complete angle which is equals to 360 degree. In place of X plus Y we will put 360 degree. Half multiplied by 360 equals to 180 degree. So we can see that angle A plus angle C equals to 180 degree. So a quadrilateral has four angles sum 360 degree. We are left with two remaining angles of the quadrilateral ABCD, which are respectively angle B and D. So the sum of angle B and D will be equals to 360 minus angle A plus C. 360 minus angle A plus angle C. Angle A plus angle C equals to 180 degree, which is already proved. So 360 minus 180 equals to 180. It means we can see that A and C are the opposite angles of this cyclic quadrilateral. Similarly, B and D are the remaining two opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral and have sum of 180 degree each. Hence, we can say that the sum of either pair of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degree, which is proved. Thank you.